Hello everyone. Today we're going to compare two popular funnel builders for marketers, Systemy.io and ClickFunnels. Both platforms offer a range of features designed to help you build and optimize sales funnels, but they have some key differences that may influence your decision. In this video, we'll take a closer look at both platforms to help you determine which one is the best fit for your marketing needs. Systemy.io is an all-in-one marketing platform offering features like Funnel Builder. It provides an intuitive drag-and-drop funnel builder that allows users to create sales funnels, opt-in pages, membership sites, and more without any coding knowledge. It provides powerful automation features to streamline marketing processes such as lead scoring, tagging, and behavior-based automation, enhancing efficiency and effectiveness. Users can sell physical or digital products directly through System.io by integrating with popular payment gateways and managing their online store within the platform. System.io offers comprehensive analytics and reporting tools to track funnel performance, email engagement, conversion rates, and other key metrics to optimize marketing efforts. Now, let's talk about pricing. Systemy.io offers 4 main pricing plans. You can always check the free plan by clicking the link in the description. Startup Plan. This plan starts at $27 per month and includes features like unlimited funnels, email marketing, and up to 5,000 contacts. Webinar Plan. Priced at $47 per month. This plan includes everything in the Startup Plan plus webinar capabilities. Unlimited Plan. Priced at $97 per month. This plan allows users with access to a comprehensive set of features and resources without limitations. On the other hand, ClickFunnels is a well-established funnel builder with a wide range of features. It offers an upgraded funnel builder with an intuitive drag-and-drop interface, making it easier than ever to create high-converting sales funnels, opt-in funnels, webinar funnels, and more. All funnels and pages created with ClickFunnels are mobile responsive, ensuring a seamless experience for users across all devices, including smartphones and tablets. The platform offers built-in A/B split testing functionality, enabling users to test different variations of their funnels, pages, and copy to optimize performance and increase conversion rates. ClickFunnels provides comprehensive analytics and tracking tools to monitor funnel performance, track key metrics, and make data-driven decisions to optimize marketing strategies. ClickFunnels provides 24/7 customer support via chat, email, and phone, ensuring users receive assistance whenever you need it. Now, let's discuss ClickFunnels pricing. ClickFunnels offers 4 main pricing plans. You can always check out ClickFunnels' free plan by using the link in the description. Basic Plan, priced at $147 per month. This plan allows you to have 1 website, 20 funnels, 3 users, 1 domain, and 10,000 contacts. Pro Plan, priced at $197 per month, and includes 1 website, 100 funnels, 5 users, 3 domains, and 25,000 contacts. Funnel Hacker, priced at $297 per month. This plan allows you to have 3 websites, unlimited funnels, 15 users, 9 domains, and 200,000 contacts in terms of pricing. System.io generally offers more affordable options compared to ClickFunnels, especially for users with smaller budgets or basic needs. However, ClickFunnels does offer more advanced features and customization options with its higher-priced plans. Ultimately, the best choice between Systemy.io and ClickFunnels depends on your specific needs, budget, and preferences. Consider factors like feature requirements, scalability, and pricing when making your decision. Both platforms offer free trials, so you can test them out and see which one works best for you before making a commitment. Don't forget to click the link in the description to try Systemy.io and ClickFunnels for free.